So sweet.
Yeah, we saw it in our car last time.
From a distance.
As we were driving. And we were trying to get over here before it stopped.
We're here!
Wow. Yeah.
We're here! It's like New Year's!
Come here,
Aveline! Oh, it's too dark where she is. Yay! Pretty!
Oh, there we go.
Seriously, it's so cool.
Too dark?
Yeah. That's amazing!
It's gonna blow it up.
We are in Paris for Christmas.
It's so cool. Wait, it does it every night at 10?
Oh, jump in
Yep.
front of the camera.
What?
Jump in front of the camera. We were filming.
Jump! Say woo!